giving the tree a haircut, and dug out around the bottom. It's getting pretty loose, so I'm going to try and pull it out. Man versus tree. Man wins. Hole from the inside where the tree was. This will probably be the end of the video for this weekend. Haven't done much really, but I have cleaned off the top of the shed, the roof. That's the same. I'm going to try and do something every weekend. It might be not much, but so next weekend, or maybe during the week, I'll take those pegs out, get those out, and start move the shed that way, start leveling it up with bricks or something. I don't know, I'll work it out.